topic is the magic of putting sindoor. Now, this question was asked from many people, especially the ladies, and some people also who never understood that why in Hindu culture putting sindoor after marriage is very important. And another question, that why when someone's husband dies or gets diseased, why the widows cannot put the sindoor. Okay, so this question was asked, and today a very quick video on this. See, you need to understand, first of all, for the married women, putting sindoor has a lot of scientific things attached to it. One or two major things that I would explain you is that how sindoor is made. One of the very important elements in that is mercury. Okay, I'm explaining this in a scientific way. Is mercury. Now, mercury is again about your communications. Mercury is all about a calculative mind, dealing with certain things, the right kind of communication, okay, and also the calculative decision making. Now, when I say calculative decision making, does not mean that it is anything negative or any sort of politics the woman will play. No, in fact, once a woman gets married, she goes to another house, a new family, and there's so many other new people that she is assigned with, for the rest of her whole life. And dealing with them, understanding their nature, communicating with them, understanding their likes, dislikes, takes a lot of positive calculations to do in the mind. Okay, whom should you speak with, how much you should speak with, how much you should be silent. All those things are, as it is taught to the girls, that once you get married, go to the other house, keep the house intact and keep everybody happy. And that's actually not a very easy thing for a woman to keep one whole house intact. She needs to do a lot of sacrifices. She needs to do a lot of, I would say, adjustments, understanding other people's nature, putting them first before her. So all that is helpful with this metal which is there, mercury. When you put that on your forehead here, what it does, it divides your brain into two sections. Okay, and when it divides your brain into two sections, you can clearly understand the emotions and the practicality, that how you need to balance both in your recent new family that you're associated with and even with your partner. Okay, another very important thing is, so that makes you more intelligent, that makes you more fast in making decisions of the house, like even how to take care of your budgets. Like you must have seen that housewives in less budget also, they run the house. How that happens? Now, I'm not saying that, if you do not put sindoor, your mind will stop working. No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying it is one of the benefits, and it enhances that quality which I'm talking about. All right? Like you wear so many gemstones. Why do you wear a mercury gemstone associated with mercury? So that it empowers your communication skills, it empowers your brain, your calculations, all those mathematical things, right? So that is one point. Another point is that mercury metal also is related to your physical life and your sexual drive. So again, if you're a married woman, if you put sindoor, you will have a good physical life. Now again, so some of you will say that if there's so many girls and women who put sindoor, but they don't feel satisfied in their physical life. Now, what I'm going to say is that the attraction towards the attraction that your husband will have towards you will be, of course, enhanced, because the mercury metal enhances the sexual drive. Okay, even in a woman for that matter. So she'll be more agreeable in a good physical life. Okay, scientifically it's said, and it is proved also. So this is another major reasons. And also it signifies, and another thing, yes, that why widows cannot do it. The same answer to this, that widows cannot should not put sindoor and cannot put sindoor, because it's again associated with the physical life and the desires that it enhances, mercury. So this is all about one of the metals which is there in the sindoor making, which is mercury, and it enhances your sexual drive and the desires towards the physical life. And of course, once a widow is not having a partner, it's not needed as per the ancient times. So this is one of the reasons that, of course, widows have their own personal lives and everything. I don't want to get into those debates, but this is what it is. Okay, So I hope this video was helpful. I just wanted to make a quick video and give you these two or three major things which I have. Next week I'll come up with another topic. Till then, goodbye.